Hi, it's Pixalf Studios here, and today we're going to break down a minimalistic but very interesting animation. Let's take a look. In Blue is a podcast about reptiles, as we can understand from the tagline. The driving words of this podcast are renewal and transformation. Something like that, we had to show in this animation. Since this is a podcast about reptiles, we had to show some kind of reptile. And the main object here is a snake. Here we are tricking the viewer and showing that here we have a snake crawling. Crawls down from the screen and at the bottom already starts to draw the main text of the logo. But in fact this line is no longer a snake. It's just a normal shape animated with these parameters. It's this deception that makes the animation look so interesting. To create this kind of motion, we animated a regular shape using trim path. Added a small eye that repeats the movement of this snake. And this is the language. The language itself is in pre-compose and animated like this. These are regular shapes, where we put the bended effect on top of the adjustment layer. The expression loop out duration is used here. It's in the standard expression tools in properties. Next, we anchored this tongue to the eye and animated it on a scale. To make this line so wavy, we used the stroke parameter modifiers. If we expand them, we can see that we have the taper parameter modified. The main trick for making this kind of shape is start and end ease. If we use these two parameters here, the latter modifies its smoothness. And we also used the wave parameter. The strength of this effect is 25%. And also there is expression on parameter face, the usual time. Effect stroke is used to animate the text. We can draw masks on top of objects and use this effect. In each of these we have intelligently used. To make the animation of the appearance of all the letters clean and neat, we've divided each letter into key parts. So that none of the lines overlap with the other. At the same time, the letters do not appear at the same time, but alternately. To diversify this animation, we've added these shapes, which repeat the shapes of the letters with modified taper parameters. They are animated with trim path and we use stroke width to make them disappear smoothly. The whole animation here is based on a simple but very interesting idea. And adding some other elements here will already seem superfluous. So if you think your animation is good enough and self-sufficient, try not to jeopardize it with unnecessary elements. Let's take a look at this animation again. Thanks for watching, good luck.